that's the whole fast food industry. I mean, I'm sure there's a story for every food type, right? That
Yep.
how do
Correct.
we make McDonald's story was how do we keep these ice creams from melting? That was the number one complaint. And some guy in the corner who's like me, textile chemist, said, "Well, we can just lower the T sub G of the ice cream, the glass transition temperature."
Mm-hmm.
And how
Look
do
at
you
my
do that?
language now.
Somebody asked, and he goes, "Well, you just put a polymer in there, and you know." Well, what polymer is available? Well, CMC, carboxyl methyl cellulose. Where does that come from? It comes from trees, right? It's wood. So, anyways, that's how they fix that problem, so it doesn't melt on your fingers anymore. But in sourdough, you grind these wheat berries, and they don't smell good. Nothing's normal when you do it yourself. Okay,
Right.
and that I think that's a tagline for anybody in the trades. Nothing's normal, right? When you have to do it yourself, there's no easy button to press. And that's the same with bread. And so when you make it from scratch, you go through this. It smells like swamp. It doesn't smell good. Like 14 days, you got to feed it, throw it out, put it in the next one with the new stuff, and it keeps feeding. And there's this battle between bad bugs and good bugs. It's like Star Wars right there in your little jar. And eventually the good bugs always win. It is like a movie, right? I'm like, how do you know the good bugs are winning?
It's like a Disney production. The good guy always wins, right?
In textiles, we have standards, right?